Hello, Coach K community! Let's go ahead and get through a 5-minute plank series here. All you need is your mat and let's get started. You're gonna place your hands down onto the mat. Your knees are gonna come right underneath your hips here. You're going to take your left hand behind your head. Right hand is pressing down into that mat. You're gonna take your left elbow down towards your right forearm, and then you're gonna open that left arm away, opening up that spine. And then again, bring that left elbow down and open it away. We're just gonna do 2 more here. Bringing it down, opening it up, and 1 more. Bring it in, open back on out. Now take that left hand down onto your mat. Right hand comes behind the head. You bring the right elbow down towards your left forearm, and then we open it up. And again, bring the right elbow down, open it back up. 2 more. Bringing it in, open it up. 1 more. And bring it on in. Go ahead and take a seat onto your heels. Reach those arms out in front of you. Let's circle those wrists just to make sure they're nice and ready for this plank series. In 5, let's reverse those circles. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse those circles. In 8, we're gonna go right away into a right side plank here. And 3, 2, 1. Let's get going. Right elbow drops down onto your mat. Now you have the option. You're either going to stay nice and stacked and lift your hips with knees bent, or you're gonna be my friend who extends your legs out and we hold a full side plank here. Whatever challenge you're gonna go for, go ahead and lift those hips up, press and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Now I'm gonna have you go ahead and bend those knees in. Place your left hand down onto that mat. Press up and out of that right shoulder. Lift those hips up and hold. Left hand can stay pressing into the mat, on your hip, or up towards that ceiling. Now slow and controlled, extend that left leg away. Pull up even higher up and out of that right side of that body. This one we're gonna hold a little bit longer because you have that support of the right leg underneath you. 15 seconds to go. Breathe through it. Tell that mind I got this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. You have the option to stay in the double knee bend, lift here, or again, if you want to go for it, extend those legs nice and long. Take a nice big inhale, let's go. Lift those hips up. This time, take that left hand up towards that ceiling, thread it on down to the right. Reach it back on up for 10, 9, in 8, we shake this side on out. In 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Shake it on out. Right away, go back onto your hands and knees. Wrists are right underneath your shoulders. Take 1 foot at a time, reach it back, lift those legs, hold a high plank. Now, from the high plank, touch your left toes to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the right toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the left for 4, 3, 2, 1. Right side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side. 3, 2, 1. Right side. 3, 2, 1. Left side. 2, 1. Right. 2, 1. Left 1. Right 1. Bend those knees. Drop it on down. Let's go ahead and go into our left side planks. Now drop down onto your left hip. Left elbow goes right underneath your shoulder. You can either stay with your knees bent or again, extend those legs out. Take a nice big inhale. Just an ISO hold in 3, 2, 1. Lift those hips and hold. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Go ahead and bend your knees for this next one. Taking that nice big inhale on that exhale, lift those hips up, slowly extend that right leg away. Pause and hold. You can have the hand on the mat, on your hip, or up towards that ceiling. 15 seconds to go. You got it. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Last one is the thread. You can stay bent or join me with those legs extended out in 3, 2, 1. Press it on up, hold. Thread your right arm down to the left. Reach it back on up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it on out. Keep your knees bent. Right hand's gonna reach to the outside of your right shin. Take your left arm, side bend up and over. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Switch around. Now your left leg's on top. Left hand holds the left shin. Right arm comes up and over. Get that nice side bend stretch in there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's end with that seated meditation there. Crisscross those legs. Let's bring those hands to the stomach. Relax your shoulders. Taking that nice big inhale, let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Now I know today was like an express quick class here. If you'd like to join me for another workout, go ahead and click that link below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.